home. It's somewhere safe and secure. It's a place to put down roots. It's a human right. But this winter in Wales, more than 11,000 people, including almost 3,000 children just like me, are already homeless. It shouldn't be this way. By making a donation, you could help Shelter Cymru to be there when they're needed most and stop homelessness before it starts. Give the gift of home this winter. Donate what you can to Shelter Cymru today. Visit sheltercymru.org.uk. Home is everything. Please help protect it. Diolch.